We had automotive sales numbers of June month yesterday, and the sales were largely weak across segments. In the passenger car category, the sales were particularly weak, with the market leader Maruti reporting a fall of 8% in its passenger car portfolio. The decline was uniform across the categories. However, in the super compact category, that is the Desire model, the volumes came off around 28% MOM, which was a large negative surprise for us. In the Tata Motors, the passenger car portfolio, the degrowth was aggravated with a fall of around 28% YOY, although a large part of it was owing to a stale product portfolio. In the car exports of Maruti were down by a whopping 43% YOY. Its exports are largely concentrated in Europe, and European markets are remaining very sluggish. While the passenger car sales have been weak, the utility vehicle segment are also slowing down now, and it is predicting a bad year ahead for passenger car industry. Amidst a tough environment and on a large base created in FY13, we expect sharp moderation in UV growth rates ahead. M&M, which is the market leader in passenger UV, reported a decline in its passenger UV volumes by around 13%. This 13% decline is the first such decline since September 2011. Maruti's Ertiga volumes, which have been doing pretty well, have also crashed by around 11% YOY. Coming on to the two-wheelers largely remain disappointing, with Bajaj Auto reporting a decline of around 20% YOY in its motorcycle portfolio. However, a part of the decline, around 20,000 units, was on the back of the strike at Chakan plant. The decline in Hero MotoCorp two-wheeler sales was around 6%. This decline was less prominent on back of the cushion from volumes in the scooter segment, which have been faring relatively better. Coming to CV category, in CV category, recovery remains elusive and the sales continue their dismal run. Weakness, the concerning point is the weakness has caught up into the LCV category also very well now. Ashok Leyland, those volumes have cooled down to around 2,200 levels. On a YTD basis, Tata Motors and Ashok Leyland LCV volumes have declined by around 5 to 6% each, underlining the slowdown catching up in this category. Meanwhile, MNCV sales remain sluggish. Tata Motors reported around 12% decline and Ashok Leyland around 37% decline on a YOY basis in the MHCV category. Coming on the brighter side of the numbers, three-wheeler volumes and tractor volumes are looking positive and they are doing pretty well. While FY13 was dismal for tractors, FY14 has looked very encouraging for tractor sales. Market leader M&M has grown its volumes around 20% YOY. In the first quarter of the new financial year, M&M has grown the domestic tractor volumes by around 25% YOY. That's a very good positive for M&M's profitability. Coming on to three-wheelers, they have been doing pretty well for some time now, and Bajaj Auto grew its three-wheeler volumes by around 55%, albeit coming on a lower base. Good monsoon and strong tractor sales may translate into some kind of growth in the two-wheeler market in the latter part of the financial year. Thank you.